Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Basil and today I will be showing you how to make a robot with Lego blocks. So this is how it looks. It's very simple to make. The only thing that you need for making this robot is Lego blocks. So let's move on to the video. So you will be starting with the robot's body. The parts that you need for the robot's body are, you need 4 of these. Then you need 2 of these. Both of them are different size. This one has 6 dots on it and this one has 8. Then you need 2 of these. And then you need 1 of this. So you can take the 3 of them as the same color. I have taken a different color for this one. So now the first thing you need to do is take 3 of these and place them down in a T shape. And then take this part and attach it here in the center, like that. So here there should be a gap here. It should be placed here. Then next flip it and then take this green block and attach it here. Then you see this gap there, you have to attach this green block. And next thing you need to do is you have to take this part and then you have to attach it here. 2 of these, like that. So you have to make sure that you leave a C-shaped gap here. So this is where the legs will be attached and this is where the arms will be attached, both of these sides. Now take this orange part and attach it here. You see this gap here, you have to keep it there. So that's the body. Now we have to make the legs and the arms. So now I'll show you how to make the legs. So the parts that you need are, you need 4 of these. You need 2 of these. You need 2 of these. So this is a different Lego block. It has this part also. And then you need 2 of this. So these 2 are different Lego blocks. Make sure that both of them are different. And then the first thing you need to do is take 2 of these blocks and place them down. Then take these 2 green blocks and place them on the side here, like this. Now take that yellow block and attach it here. Don't attach it here. You have to attach it right here. Do the same on the other leg. And then take this Lego part and then attach it here in that gap. So now there are 2 more parts that you need. You need 2 of these. If you don't have it, it's not a problem. If you have it, you have to attach it here. You have to attach it behind this green Lego block, like that. Now this part should not be facing downwards. It should be facing sideways, like this. So this is how the robot's legs will be standing. So make sure that this is facing sideways. Now take these 2 and put it on top of this. So that's the legs. Now we will be making the arms. So we will be making the arms now. The parts that you need for the arms are, you need 2 of these. You need 2 of these. So both of these are different Lego blocks. This is the bigger one and this is a smaller one. So make sure that you take 2 different sizes. And then you need 4 of these. Then you need 2 of these. If you want, you can take transparent blocks, but if you don't have these transparent blocks, you can take the other color, any other color. So the first thing you need to do is take 2 of these and place them here. Now take these big blocks and place them right on top of this here. So you have to make space here, like that. Now take these blocks and place them here in the corner. like this. And this also you have to place it the same way in the other right arm. So then take these two blocks and then place it on top of this. So like it should be, both of them should be on the same level. Now take these two blocks and place it right below this. Do the same in the other arm. It'll look like this. So that's the arms. Now I will show you how to make the head. The parts that you need for the head are, you need two of these. It could be square blocks if you don't have this. And then you need one of this and one of this. So now first take two of these blocks and attach them. Now take this block and place it here. Don't put it completely here. You have to place it like this. Now take the other block and place it like this. Make sure that the other part is facing upwards. So that's the head. Now I will show you how to connect all of them to the body. So now take the body and then you see the space here. You have to take the head and place it here. So here is where the head will be attached. Now take the legs and then open this top part of the leg from both the legs. It will be like this. So now place it here. So this is how this is. It's like a ball and socket joint. Like in the human body, we have ball and socket joint in the hip and the shoulder. So when you make this, you have to make sure that there are 3 spaces here in both the legs, and then there are 3 spaces. There are 6 spaces here. So this point should be attached behind this, like that, on both the sides. Then close this thing. So now after that, you have to check whether it's working. See, the legs move. So the legs move sideways, even the arms move sideways. Now I'll tell you where to attach the arms. So you see space here, right? 3 spaces. Now you have to open the arms top part as well here. And you see 3 spaces here as well. So now this point you have to attach it behind this here. Now take that block back and attach it where to its original position. Do the same on the other side. So this is like the shoulder. This is like the human shoulder. It's like the ball and socket joint. So that's it for the robot. Now the legs and the arms move sideways. The legs move sideways and the arms move upwards and downwards. So that's the robot. Now I'll show you some other robots that I have made. So this is the robot that we just made. So there was one more part that you had to attach there. The robot here, you see the space. You have to attach this block here. So it does not need to be transparent. If you have transparent, you can attach it, or you can attach some other color. And do the same on the other side. So now I'll be showing you the 2 other robots that I have made. This is one of the other robots. So this robot has wings behind it, and its arms and legs also move. Now the next robot that I have made is this. So the difference of this robot is it has wheels behind it. So you can attach anything on the robot to make it look better. So if you want to see more robot videos like this, so make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell and give me a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.